Hi everyone, Kranti this side. And today morning when I woke up, I was hearing this thing from last couple of days, AI agents, and things are now sounding back to like 2020, 2021, where ChatGPT was evolving, and nowadays AI agents are evolving. And I guess you must be also hearing what are AI agents, like everyone is talking about, everyone is building some kind of AI agent for them. So I decided that's what, so like I dig down in it, and so I was trying to understand what are AI agents, how online coaches and online business owner can leverage it to save their time, maximize productivity. So that now in this video I will tell you about that how you can use AI agent for your maximum productivity so that you can take better decision at lesser time. Okay, so what are AI agents? AI agents basically are human like software or tools that has no emotion, but they do what are the things that the input that you provide them, okay, as per the instruction, and they have the capability to improve over time because they have this learning mechanism inside them through LLM, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and all of those things. Now let us understand with the how is industry shifting now, since we already know that so nowadays AI agents, chat gpt, all of these tools are are some of the basic skills that you require, such as learning MS Office, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and all of those things. Right now you also have to be equip yourself with these skills. So first of all you have to learn about the chat gpt prompts. Okay, like how to ask what prompts to, so that you can ask better question. When you give better input, then you get better output. Okay, and for this to happen you have to train your chat gpt conversation. Okay, for this, for to understand this, just the way industry machines have reduced the human labor, same way AI agents and all of these things are reducing humans. Okay, in thinking, in critical thinking, and in calculation and all of those things. This has actually made people to learn, do not learn. So it's a merit also, it's a demerit also. The merit is like the person who is using AI is way behind, way not behind, way far from the people who are not using it and who are just in the figuring out zone. Okay, so for an online business owner like you should be nowadays familiar with these kind of tools, and these kind of AI incorporation is happening among tool, whether it is your invoicing, whether it is your designing software, whether it is your sales software, whether it is a chat support, and all of those things. Now just understand what are the different features AI agents have. Okay, so just like chat gpt, it has one input, one output, in which you give your input, and then it based upon this machine learning or the AI capabilities, it gives you output. That is what used to happen. Now let us say, let us understand with an example. I want to I want to book a meeting. Okay, I want to book a meeting on my calendar. So what I used to do earlier is that I go to my Google Calendar, and then I click add an event, and then put my email, then the guest email, then we set up a time, then we uh, write the description, Zoom link, Google Meet link, and then we all decide, and then we hit the schedule. So it's a kind of thing that is going to be repetitive for you over a period of time. Right now you can set all of these instruction um, into AI agents. So there are basically many tools are nowadays available, such as N8N, N8N, I guess that was a tool. And the another tool is mindpal. Okay, mindpal.ai. N18.oi is the first tool that you can get started with. It has some free plans. Mindpal also gives you 100 credits to get started with. Now you want to book a meeting just by using AI agent. So what you can do basically is, just for example, just to send a message to chatbot. Just send a message to a chatbot that you have built using AI agents. Okay, now behind it, it has your Google Calendar and your Google contact list. Okay, now it will fetch with whom you are want to have a meeting with, and at what time, and just send a quick message, and it will identify from all of your input that with whom you want to meeting with, and it will schedule it accordingly uh, as per the backend LLM, as per the backend memory it have of your contact, and also the prompts that you have given to it. So let's just understand it with a example. Okay, for example, when you give it input, okay, now LLM, so it has so input, then the another component is memory, then third component is system prompts, then fourth component is the output. Okay, so LLM will work as your brain, which has stored is it stored had memory. Now how to leverage that memory will be defined by the prompts that you have will define at the step 3. Okay, now for example, let's just take another example of recruitment. Okay, so an HR has to go through a lot of resume to find a suitable resume. Okay, now how we can use AI agent here is, for example, the recruiter, the HR will just upload the job descriptions, and he only has to upload the CV. That is the only work that he has to do. Now the whole work of selecting, summarizing and everything of the right candidate will be done via AI agents. And let's just understand it very deeply. So a recruiter will upload a job description and a batch of resumes for screening. So he will upload the resumes that were selected before. Okay, and he will upload the job description. Now in the input you will just upload job description. Now you have lot of resumes with you. Okay, and you cannot go through manually one by one. So what you will do, you will just put one resume in it, and it will automatically compares it with the best ones available, and also the because it has the memory inside it of the best resumes out there which was selected. Okay, and and it has also the job description which is matching the resume, which one is matching the resume. Okay, now in it also leverage another tool. It leverages other tools also, which has this capability of screening. For example, so there is a tool you have to use additionally, which is known as uses named entity recognition. So name and entity recognition actually recognizes the keyword snapshot, and which is matching to the relevant information. Okay, so when you use this, it fetches data from the uploaded resume and the resume that you already have, and it matches the things which are relevant to the job description. And since and how it does step by step, because you have given it prompts that now you have to take variable from here, second variable from here, third variable from here, and then it gives the output, and then it will give you the ranked list of most suitable candidate along with their summaries and their qualification as per the job description we have given him. Okay, so this is the use case of how you can leverage AI agents. Now similarly, you can use this for creating content over social media, over LinkedIn, over Instagram. So you can define a set of tasks and a set of memory. For example, you want LinkedIn, you want to just write Instagram, you want to write maybe LinkedIn post, but you want to write it in your language, in your own way. So what you can do, you can give it the memory of your recent post which has got most engagement, and then you just give it quite a summarized kind of content, and say it that please create it according to a LinkedIn post, engaging LinkedIn post. So it will understand the keywords and emotion, and the what is the context and what is the CTA around it, and then it will check with the post that you have uploaded, and then it will create a post for you. Okay, because it has predefined prompts, and prompts could be that you should be starting with a hook, you should be engaging with a middle in the story, and then you at the end you will come with a CTA or a PS postscript kind of thing. And this way you can leverage AI agents for different set of tasks which are repetitive in your business in that way. So I hope you have got some insight, and I will recommend you to go through AI agents on YouTube's chat gpt's prompts also, if you are not much aware, you if you are doing many of the manual work yourself. And also we have implemented, we use ai, we use AI chat GPT, and now we are shifting to AI agents in our marketing agency, so that we can get more good output, creative output, and so that we do not have that creative fog, and we can deal more efficiently. And it will also help me to leverage my team members in delivering more, maximizing their productivity, and also I can make quick decision on what's working for them and what's not working for them. So I hope you have gotten some insight to it. And with this, like, I rest my voice. Thank you so much.